sir. Yes, sir. I love Lamborghinis, man. I love them. Beautiful car, brother. Beautiful car. To be here, you know. So glad to be able to communicate with you guys throughout this platform of YouTube. It's been doing great so far. Thanks to you guys, of course. I wouldn't want it any other way. Obviously, I want to say thank you for 2,000 subscribers. I know it sounds like a little bit, but for me, it's just a big milestone to me. It's definitely not easy, but it's definitely not impossible. So, with that being said, we're on our way to meet up with Mavs. Just so you guys know, I haven't been riding for at least 2 weeks now. I was out of town, and it just gives me withdrawals to ride, you know. I really wanted to be back on the bike, but stick around for the video, guys. I'm going to be explaining a little giveaway that I'll be doing on my Instagram. Definitely something that I'm really excited about, and I hope you guys are too. I'll be giving away some stuff, some pretty good stuff actually, so stick around for the video. Later on during the video, I'll be explaining what the giveaway is going to consist of, what we'll have to be doing, and yeah, hopefully I get to meet one of you or 3 of you. I don't know. It's going to be 3 prizes, so stick around and let's head out to meet up with Mez real quick. Papa! Oh man, it's good to see you, brother. What's up, Papa? Damn, long time. Missed you, bro. All right, boys. Mess and I are about to go do a little quick loop. Man, I was happy to see this guy. Like I said, I've been out of town. You guys probably didn't know it, but just kind of miss, you know, just kind of miss home where you're out of town. We're about to fuel up. Forgot my wallet, but you know, hopefully we can meet up or find some cars on the way. We're gonna go up north in Dallas, so man, that was a good wheelie, first gear. Yeah, so I was telling Maz about the giveaway right now, and man, I'm excited. I'm excited to tell you guys all about it. Once we get to the destination, woohoo, stop me, Papa. Once we get to the nice destination, I'll she looks good. I'll just kind of just run it through. I'm gonna make it really simple. Really simple. It's not gonna be hard. I think I am gonna make it just local, United States only, just because of shipping purposes and of what the prices are. Size matters and everything. Size matters. But yeah, I mean, if you're from another country, I mean, unless it's Canada or maybe Mexico, somewhere here in North South America, I'd probably be cool with it. But yeah, if it's anything far, I apologize. You know, from the beginning, I'm just gonna apologize. I can't ship it or you know, even the companies, but I have to feel it with Papa. No wallet, boys, no wallet. Ready to go. I can't get enough of Mess's bike, bro. If you've seen this bike in person, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Like, the detail on the bike is just perfect. It did rain hard last night. Had some thunderstorms, so it's a little bit moist, but none big. Still, as long as you're careful, it's rideable conditions. tell you. All right. I'm well known for bad directions, so don't judge me, fellas. I know Reckless would probably say something like, Rafa never knows where he's going. Don't ask me why I do the different voice, because that's just how Reckless sounds. Damn. Looking spiffy. 2 videos ago, I got copyrighted for some music. I'm still trying to get the hang of it. I still got a lot to learn. I did hit up Will. I mean, I'm sure you guys know who he is, but if not, go check him out. This is YouTube channel right here. A lot of the YouTube stuff Mess has taught me. You know, that time I hit up Will, and he gave me advice.
I think go straight.
Straight and make a left, right? Yeah.
You're excited to be on the bike or what?
Bro, it was like the throttle wasn't responding. I mean, we could just... Yeah, we could just park right there.
You were hauling ass a little bit.
Just stop here for a minute. Just grab the coffee real quick just to wake up a little bit. It's not that early, but we're gonna head back to the bridge where we're at. There's supposed to be a ride. Let me before I hop on the highway, let me explain a little bit about the giveaway. I'm about to reach 150K on Instagram, and to be honest with you, when I was invisible to the world, right, or at least to the bike community, like I used to admire the people that would give away stuff, right? I want to give back to the community, right? I want to give back to you guys. I want to just in a way of saying thank you for the support. I won't make it too long, but I'm telling you about the giveaway. The man said he can hear me. It's a way of saying thank you to you guys. It really is. Just for the tremendous amount of support, of love that you guys give back. And obviously, if it keeps going, then I'm just gonna give back, you know, like that's my plan. So the giveaway is gonna consist of 3 prizes. So there's gonna be 3 winners. The more winners, the better. Gives you guys more chance to win, right? The rules are gonna be simple. You're gonna like the reel. You're gonna follow the sponsors of this giveaway. So you're gonna have to follow me, right? You're gonna follow my page. You gotta, obviously, if you're looking at it, you're already following me. But you're gonna follow my page. You're gonna follow Dainese Dallas, which I'll tag him on the reel, and you're gonna follow Jax Wax. It's my boys, Dainese and Jax Wax. They were kind enough to be part of the giveaway, which I want to say thank you. And so the first thing is, you guys are gonna like it. You're gonna be following me, Jax Wax, and Dainese Dallas. First prize is gonna be a pair of Dainese gloves. I won't say which pair yet, but you guys will see it on the reel. With Jax Wax, it's gonna be second prize, which is gonna be, I believe it's up to $150, $175 worth of detailing products, which is gonna be like a bucket giveaway from Jax Wax themselves. That's gonna be second prize. And then third prize will be, that's the smallest one. It'll be a t-shirt from Dainese Dallas. And I might add a little surprise onto the third prize just to make it more interesting, but I don't know what yet. So those are the 3 prizes. Pair of Dainese gloves, which you guys will see what, oh! Ooh, that was nice, that was nice. Nice wheelie, Papa. But yeah, 3 prizes, guys, so be ready. Giveaway's about to be posted up this coming up, I want to say Friday or Saturday. But yeah, so as soon as I hit 150K, which will probably be in the next day or 2, the giveaway post will be up. And just follow the rules on the giveaway. And I might get to hand you guys the prices myself, to be honest, just to kind of make it more interesting. I don't even know if y'all want to meet me or not, but and obviously, if you haven't already and you're watching this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I do want to say thank you to Dainese Dallas. I do want to say thank you to Jax Wax here in the DFW area for being part of this a good run, Papa. If you connect with the rider, man, that's all it takes. But I think I'm just gonna cut it off here, guys. Thank you so much for liking the video, subscribing. Send it to a homie. Let them know the boys from Dallas. Let them know who they are. I don't want nobody getting offended either, so hey, relax, relax. Till the next one, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Thanks for all the support. Make smart decisions. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.